morning, everybody, and on this episode of PincheAls Garage, we're doing an unboxing on some Raceland coilovers for my wife's MK6 Jetta Sport Wagon. Now, it's already lowered on springs, and it's pretty low, but we need the adjustability to go up or down. Since we're going to be going camping, I need to raise it actually, so the cheapest option for us, and most affordable option actually, was to go with Raceland. Since my wife doesn't do any tracking or anything with this car, it's going to be a good option for us. So let's get ready to the unboxing and see what we got. Alright, so for the unboxing, it's still sealed up. They just got dropped off, so let's open them up. So let's get these guys opened up. Now, one thing that everybody knows about Raceland is that they're affordable. Number one, they're definitely priced at the right price point for them. So definitely one of the things that I love about them. And they give you quick basic instructions here. So we'll go through these instructions afterwards. After this unboxing, we're actually going to be doing a DIY for these as well. Now again, they're known for being affordable, pretty much $400 coils. We went for the top tier option, which is their Ultimos. Actually, no, not their Ultimos, they're Primos. So I've actually owned coilovers for their basic stuff, their Primos. I mean, not Primos. I've owned their introductory ones, their Ultimos. Now these are the first time I'm going to get their Primo models. I'm going to see how they perform on my wife's wagon. Again, we got a 2-hour road trip coming up in about a couple days. So these are actually going to be put to the test on off-road actually, because we're going to be going camping. So this will be on a rougher terrain than just normal pavement, and see how they perform. Again, we're not slamming the car. We will be slamming the car afterwards, but it's just something that you guys know that ahead of time what's going to happen. Alright, so now, right off the bat, they give you a little cool little box, a big R on it. It's already beat. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. They give you an actual coilover keychain. I'm actually impressed with that. That's actually a very cool little toy, little item here, so you guys can check that out. That's pretty neat. I actually like that a lot. Wish the box was in a better condition, but that's okay. And then nice ionized rear strut. This is for the rear perch. They give you 2 spanner wrenches, which is really nice. 2 spanner wrenches, an Allen wrench, and this weird little thing over here. More likely this is for, yep, this is for the valve, since these are adjustable dampening. Oh, and there's 2 of them. There's the other one. I was waiting. I thought there was only 1, but there's 2. So they give you 2 of these guys. And let's see. These are the fronts. Oops. Got a nice color to them. I really like these. So these are the front springs. Not bad. Perches. I mean, the only downside is them being already damaged out of the box. They still look really nice. I'm very impressed actually on the build quality on this right now. It gives you a little warning not to do it this way. So obviously never hold a coilover by the valve body. But yeah, I'm really liking the construction of this already right off the bat. And it only sucks that they are damaged, you know, cosmetically, but that's okay. I mean, spanner wrenches always get damaged right off the bat. Kind of a normal thing. So they give you rear springs, brand new rear shocks. And again, these are adjustable dampening as well. Really nice. Right here, it's got an adjustable dampener right built into it. I love that. Very, very nice. Now the only downside is they don't explain which one is more and which one's less, so that's something we're going to have to play around with when we're actually driving the car and seeing the differences between them. So first off the bat, packaging is really nicely done. Very happy with the packaging and the nice little present they gave us in the box. Very, very happy with that. Everything seems to be of quality construction, and that doesn't say very much about Raceland, but this, I mean, I've owned many coilovers, and these are not bad at all. So I give a big thumbs up on the quality scale to Raceland, because they definitely upped their game on quality. Now the downside is they did not up their game on inspection for packaging, because there's a lot of nicks on here, cosmetic nicks, that if someone were to buy these, they would definitely assume they were used or just poorly packaged, and definitely not be very happy with. So on a scale of 1 to 5 on that, I give them a 2 or a 3. On a scale of just the way they look cosmetically and feel of them right off the bat, I give them a 5, you know. Now performance wise, we don't know yet. We'll get there in a little bit. Right now my wagon sits on H&R springs with factory shocks, and they sit pretty low, so, and the car rides very, very well on those springs, on factory springs and H&R's, I mean on factory struts and shocks with lowering springs, and the car rides very, very well. So I'm hoping that this will actually be an improvement. Number one, right off the bat, the improvement is already there based off height adjustment, so I'm happy about that. But I don't know how the ride quality is going to be on these guys. We do have again, we have a dampening adjustment, so these guys have built-in dampeners right on the top for the front shocks. And then these have them right here where the strut mount, actually the rear shock mounts. So we'll give you guys a full DIY on how to install these, and then with a review. So thanks for watching the quick unboxing of these Raceland coilovers, and we'll see you guys soon to see the actual install and review of the product. Alright, thanks again, and have a wonderful